Hello friends, how are you doing? So this is Ashish from the Life's Way, and I'm going to celebrate my 9th blog anniversary on 27th of November. So I have been part of so many launch events, and this week I was part of Huawei Nova 9 launch event, and they gave us this nice big bag. So let's see what they have given us inside this big box and a big package. So let me quickly take out the box and then show you as to what are the contents of the package. So they have given us a huge Huawei gift kind of box, and it's though it shows on the side that what it is, but we'll check out the contents also. It says ring holder, thermos, and an umbrella. So this is what it is inside the package, and on the bottom side also there is some stuff that's written, and I'll show you. It says city travel gift package, 2 umbrella, navy blue, thermos white, ring holder black package. So, and they have written as to where it's made. It's made in China, as Huawei is a Chinese company. So we'll check out the contents of the Huawei gift. I've always liked these Huawei gifts a lot. So let's see. So the thing is, it says Huawei gift, and it has this thing covering the gifts like that. So this is really nice. So let's see the items one by one. Let's start with the ring. So this is a ring which you can put on your smartphone so that it can stand like that, or you can hold it from your back. So this is something which you might like or may not like, so it's fine. So let's keep it back. And then coming to the thermos, so it has a Huawei gift logo, and this is a nice thermos, and it says on the bottom it's like plastic as well as metal. It says thermos 450 ml made in China. So let's see what kind of thermos is it. So it has this kind of mesh on the top, so I'll show you. So it has a mesh on the top by which you can pour some water, or you can pour your tea or something like that on this thermos, and then it closes and it can be opened. So this is really nice. And then it has a metallic body. So this is a nice thermos, and it has it has silicone so that the material doesn't spill out. So but there is nothing like that, so you will have to open the thing and then only you have to drink. So this is a nice tumbler kind of thing. So moving on to the third item. The third item is it's just the umbrella. So we'll check out the umbrella in blue color. So it also has a Huawei gift logo. So we'll quickly open the umbrella and see. So it's a nice big umbrella, you can see. And then let's see. As you can see, it's a nice big umbrella in full size, which is really nice. And then it has this kind of a button by which you can, if you click it, it automatically narrows down to the smaller version of itself, and then the extendable rod also collapses into this thing. So this is my first Huawei umbrella, and let's see how much it lasts me, because I wanted to buy an umbrella for so long. And let's see again if I can open it. So this is really nice, and it's a nice sturdy umbrella, as you can see. So, and Johannesburg weather, you get a lot of rain, so this is definitely a nice accessory to have. So umbrella is something I was looking for, and so thank you Huawei. So thank you Huawei for the Huawei gift by giving and also to invite me to the launch event. So thank you very much. And the thermos also comes with an instruction, and then you can take out the thing, and then you can use this box to keep anything else. But I don't know what I'm going to do with the box, but I'll keep the box to put some kind of cables and everything, and because it has this magnetic thing by which it gets attached to the box. So that's it from the Huawei gift side. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, which is very near 1000 mark subscribers. So but we are still so far from the 4,000 mark subscribers, but I continue to post the videos. Some days I will achieve that too with your help. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.